By 2030, millions of white-collar jobs are set to be automated or radically transformed. But what the news isn't telling you is that this isn't just a jobs crisis, it's a massive wealth transfer. While most people are worried about being replaced, a small group is quietly getting ready to become richer than ever. They're using a playbook that the wealthy have deployed during every major technological revolution. In this video, I'm revealing that playbook and the wealth-building strategies you need to adopt now if you want to be on the winning side. Welcome to Wealth Saga, where we decode the strategies that build lasting financial power. The battle of AI versus human jobs is one of the biggest economic shifts of our time. But this is not another doom and gloom report. This is a guide to opportunity. The rise of AI is set to add up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, according to a major report from PwC. That money has to go somewhere. The question is, will it go to you? This isn't just about technology, it's about history. Every technological revolution, from the steam engine to the internet, created a new class of winners and losers. Today, we're not just looking at the tasks AI will automate. We're uncovering the historical lessons that prove that in times of massive disruption, more wealth is created than destroyed. You'll learn which industries are set to thrive, which will shrink, and most importantly, you'll get an actionable playbook to help you end up on the right side of history. Stick with me to the end, because the final strategy is the #1 secret to securing your wealth in the coming decade. Let's start by acknowledging the fear, because it's real. The conversation about AI and jobs often begins with one question: will a robot take my job? And for many people, the answer feels like a hard yes. A report from Goldman Sachs projects that generative AI could impact 300 million full-time jobs worldwide. And in the US, some reports estimate that activities making up 30% of all hours worked could be automated by 2030. This isn't just about factory workers on an assembly line anymore. That was the last wave. This new wave, powered by generative AI, is coming for cognitive, knowledge-based work. We're talking about data entry clerks, where a large share of tasks could be automated. We're talking about proofreaders, where AI can already perform tasks with incredible accuracy. We're even seeing it in paralegal work, where AI tools can now analyze legal documents with stunning efficiency. Market research analysts, financial analysts, and even some software coders are seeing their routine tasks automated. And this is what makes this moment so unsettling. It's not just blue-collar or white-collar, it's every collar. It's creative work, it's analytical work, it's the very jobs that a college degree was supposed to make safe. The unemployment rate for young tech workers, those aged 20 to 30, has already seen a notable increase, which some analysts suggest is an early sign of AI beginning to displace entry-level roles. The World Economic Forum notes that employers expect around 39% of workers' core skills to change by 2030. That means the skills that got you your job today might be obsolete in just a few years. This is the agitation. The ground is shifting beneath our feet faster than ever before. It feels threatening because it's not just replacing our muscle, it's mimicking our minds. The pace is relentless. So, what do? Do you hide? Do you resist? You look at the playbook of those who have won before. Every time a disruptive technology has emerged, it's been met with the same two things: widespread panic and massive opportunity. The people who got rich weren't the ones who feared the change. They were the ones who understood the new rules of the game. Think about the first industrial revolution. When steam power and mechanization arrived, millions of farm workers faced obsolescence. Their entire way of life was threatened. But a new class of wealthy individuals emerged, the people who didn't just work in the factories, but who built, owned, and invested in the factories. They saw that the new source of leverage wasn't land, but machinery. They moved from being a laborer in the old system to an owner of the new one. Then came the internet boom in the late 1990s. Again, the headlines were filled with fear. Computers will eliminate jobs, they warned. And they did. But they also created far more, who became the new titans of wealth. It was the visionaries who understood that the internet wasn't just a new tool, but an entirely new platform. They built the digital infrastructure, the software, and the online businesses that now define our world. They understood that the new leverage was information and connectivity. The AI revolution is no different. It's simply the next chapter in this story of technological leverage. The historical playbook reveals a simple, repeatable pattern. When a new technology emerges, wealth doesn't just disappear, it transfers. It flows from those who are merely cogs in the old machine to those who build, control, and master the new one. The mistake most people make is trying to compete against the new technology. The winning strategy is to find a way to work with it. The wealthy don't ask, "How can I do my job better than a machine?" They ask, "How can I use this machine to create something entirely new, to solve a bigger problem, or to reach a larger market?" This is the mindset shift you must make right now. Stop seeing AI as a threat to your job. Start seeing it as the most powerful leverage tool ever created. The question is no longer, will AI take my job? But, how will I use AI to build my fortune? So, how do you apply this historical lesson today? How do you move from being a potential victim of AI to a beneficiary? Here is the new playbook: 5 concrete, actionable strategies to ensure you are on the winning side of the great wealth transfer of the 2030s. The first rule is to stop competing with AI on tasks it will always win, like speed, data processing, and repetition. Instead, you must become an expert at using AI to augment your uniquely human skills. The jobs of the future aren't about being replaced, but about becoming a human-AI hybrid. In fact, the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report indicates a large majority of employers, around 77%, plan to upskill their employees to work effectively alongside AI. This means focusing on skills AI can't replicate: creativity, strategic thinking, leadership, and emotional intelligence. For example, a graphic designer who tries to create images faster than AI will lose. But a designer who masters tools like Midjourney to generate hundreds of concepts, and then uses their artistic eye to curate and refine that output into a brilliant campaign, becomes a one-person creative agency. A writer who uses AI for research and drafting can multiply their output, focusing their energy on storytelling and strategic insight. The action item is this: identify the top 3 AI tools in your profession. Dedicate a few hours a week to mastering them. Don't just learn what they do, learn how to direct them. This is the new literacy. The future belongs to those who can effectively command AI, not those who can do its job manually. This is where new roles like prompt engineer come from, which is fundamentally about knowing how to talk to AI to get the best results. During the California gold rush of the 1800s, most prospectors went broke. The people who made guaranteed fortunes were the ones selling the picks, shovels, and denim jeans. The same principle applies today. While many are chasing the next viral AI app, the most reliable wealth is being built by investing in the fundamental infrastructure that powers the entire revolution. What are the picks and shovels of AI? First, the tips. Companies that design the high-powered GPUs necessary for training AI models are the absolute foundation of this boom. Second, cloud computing and data centers. AI requires immense computational power and data storage, making the companies that provide these services indispensable. Third, the software platforms and cybersecurity firms that enable and protect this new ecosystem. You don't have to be a stock-picking genius. For many, a simple and effective strategy is to invest in AI-focused exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Funds with tickers like BOTZ or IRBO offer broad exposure to the AI sector, from hardware to software, spreading your risk while giving you a stake in the overall growth of the industry. The goal here is not to bet on a single gold miner, but to own a piece of the entire supply store. If you're finding this playbook valuable, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells the algorithm you're getting good information. And be sure to subscribe to Wealth Saga so you don't miss out on more insights for building your wealth in this changing world. The single greatest shift AI brings is the dramatic reduction in the cost and complexity of starting a business. What once required a team of developers, marketers, and customer service agents can now often be managed by one person with the right AI tools. This is your opportunity to move from employee to owner. Think about creating services that other businesses desperately need. You could start an AI-powered marketing agency that uses AI to generate hyper-personalized ad copy and social media campaigns for clients at a fraction of the traditional cost. You could build and sell custom AI agents to small businesses to automate their customer service inquiries, saving them thousands per month. The rise of platforms like the ChatGPT store is creating a new frontier for entrepreneurs, where you can build niche AI tools and sell them for recurring revenue. The beauty of this strategy is its scalability. You are no longer trading your time for money. You're building a system, powered by AI, that works for you 24/7. Your income is decoupled from the hours you put in. Even if you're not a coder, you can use no-code platforms to build these tools or simply act as the strategist who identifies a problem and hires a freelancer to build the AI solution. The barrier to entrepreneurship has never been lower. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, what becomes incredibly valuable? Authenticity, specialized knowledge, and high-quality, niche data. AI models are trained on vast, generic datasets. They lack deep expertise in specific, nuanced fields. This is where you have an unfair advantage. If you're an expert in a specific domain, whether it's law, medicine, vintage guitar repair, or sustainable gardening, your knowledge is the raw material for training specialized AI. The new wealth-building opportunity isn't just to have expertise, but to productize it for the AI era. How do you do this? You can create premium online courses, paid newsletters, or consulting services that teach others how to apply AI within your specific niche. You become the human filter, the strategist who curates the overwhelming noise of AI and provides a clear, expert-led path. For example, a law firm could create a specialized AI trained on its own case documents and offer access to it as a service. You are no longer just a professional. You are the owner of a proprietary dataset and a unique methodology that AI alone cannot replicate. This final strategy is the most important because it governs all the others. The one certainty between now and 2030 is relentless, accelerating change. The winners will not be those with a specific degree or a static job title, but those who embrace a mindset of lifelong learning and constant adaptation. The idea of a single career for life is over. You must start thinking of yourself as a portfolio of skills, not a job title. This means dedicating time every single week to learning and experimenting. Play with new AI tools. Read about emerging trends. Ask yourself, if my current job was automated tomorrow, what problem would I solve next? This mindset shift transforms fear into curiosity. It turns threats into opportunities. Some experts, like investor Ray Dalio, warn that AI could displace workers faster than new jobs emerge. Others are more optimistic, pointing to studies like a World Economic Forum report projecting a net gain of millions of jobs by 2030 as new roles are created. Regardless of who is right, those who prepare now will be the ones who shape the world of tomorrow. The wealth of 2030 will flow to the adaptable, the resilient, and the perpetually curious. Those who treat their skills like software that needs constant updates will become indispensable. Those who don't risk becoming legacy systems. So there you have it. The AI revolution is here. It will absolutely transform jobs, but as we've seen throughout history, it will also create an unprecedented wave of wealth. The question is, which side of that wave will you be on? Let's recap the new playbook. 1. Become an AI collaborator, focusing on your uniquely human skills. 2. Invest in the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. 3. Build a scalable AI-powered business. 4. Monetize your unique human expertise. And 5. Adopt a mindset of perpetual reinvention. The choice is yours. You can sit back and watch this transformation happen to you, or you can step up and make it happen for you. The tools are here. The playbook is in your hands. To make it even easier for you, I've created a free one-page PDF that summarizes these strategies and gives you a starting point for each one. The link is at the top of the description below. Download it, print it out, and start taking action today. In the next video on Wealth Saga, we'll dive even deeper, revealing the top 3 AI-powered wealth-building tools you can start using today for less than $100. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thank you for joining me on Wealth Saga.